Welcome students for the English session. Today we are going to learn writing skill, unit 3.1. Last year already we have learned expansion of ideas, emails, letter writing, formal, informal, blogs. Now let us learn something about summary writing 3.1. What is summary? A summary is a record in the reader's own words that gives the main points of a piece, such as newspaper, article, a lecture, a passage, a chapter, or even a whole book. Summary writing. What is summary writing? Brevity is the soul of wit is one of the countless maxims coined by William Shakespeare. It is relevant to speaking as well as writing. Brevity or concision is the cutting out of unnecessary words while conveying an idea. It aims to enhance communication by eliminating redundancy without omitting important information. Summary writing is one of its kind that has been described as one of the elementary principles of writing. To speak what is required and what to write, what is necessary, is a requisite towards the development of language skills. It is important to be brief in written expression. To express in brief the main points of a written record is a summary writing skill, and that can be developed by practicing. Summarizing has a definite purpose. The purpose of a summary is to give the reader a clear, objective picture of the original text. Most importantly, the summary restates only the main points of a text or a lecture without giving examples or details such as dates, numbers, or statistics. Something about do's of summary writing. What are the points to be included in summary writing? First point, you are going to read and reread the passage which is given and try to understand the passage, what is mentioned over there. Read the instructions, find exactly what you need to summarize. Identify the main ideas by asking some questions over there. Form short sentences of your own. Connect the sentences using the linkers. Don't break the link. Omit the details. Avoid your own interpretation. These are the points to be taken in importance. These are called as do's of summary writing. Students, now we are going to learn don'ts of summary writing. What all points not to be included, nor excluded, nor add, comment, or give examples. That are the points. These are the points to be included in summary writing. Don'ts or do not include in summary writing. First point is include, exclude, add, comment, or give examples. Not to add or not to include or not to exclude or comment or give any examples of your own. Let us learn the steps for writing summary. While writing a summary, what all points to be included? These are the important steps for writing a summary. First one, read the article twice. Ask the question about the purpose of writing. Identify the main ideas. Write the first draft. Revise your first draft and edit it. Later last, write the final draft. Put a suitable title for it. Now here, these are the important steps for writing summary. Be very specific while writing summary. Read the article twice. Ask the questions. What is the purpose for writing? Identify the main ideas. Make a first draft. Later revise that first draft and edit it. Lastly, make a final draft for it and add a suitable title. Students, let us wind up the lesson. Summary writing. What is summary? It is a record in the reader's own words that gives the main points of a piece, such as a newspaper, article, a lecture, a passage, a chapter, or even a whole book. Then we have already come across what is summary writing. What are the do's of summary writing? What all points to be included while writing summary? First, you have to read and reread the passage. Try to understand the passage. Read the instruction. Find exactly what you want to summarize. Identify the main ideas by asking questions. Form short sentences of your own. Connect the sentences using linker. Omit details. Avoid your own interpretation. Now, these are the do's or does of summary writing. Now, what are the don'ts of summary writing? No. First, include, exclude, add, comment, give examples. Not to include, not to exclude, not to add, not to comment, nor give examples. Next, last important thing, that is the steps. Important 6 steps for writing summary. Read the articles twice. Ask the questions about the purpose of writing. Identify the main ideas. Write the first draft. Revise your first draft and edit it. Write the final draft and give a suitable title. Now, what is the assignment given for you? First thing, there is a passage in the page number 138, activity number 1. With that passage, you are going to summarize. You are going to write summary of that passage. Put a catchy title on it. This is the first assignment in summary writing. Thank you, students.